We all know what drones are. We have seen what it comprises of and what are the different tasks it can do. But what is the core component inside the drone which allows the drone to do all these? What is the component inside the drone which takes in these directions from the controller, from the person who's sitting at the ground station control and giving directions? Yes, it is the flight controller.
Many people confuse the flight controller with the drone controller. Those are totally two different things because one sends commands to the drones, whereas the other decides how these functions are carried out within the drone. So what we are dealing with is about the one that decides how the drone operates. There are three things that a flight controller does: perception, controlling, and communication. We will look about these in the upcoming slides. So first up, let's look at perception. The flight controller is connected to a set of sensors. All the information like the speed or height or the direction the drone is facing is given by the flight controllers through the sensors. Common sensors used are the inertial measurement unit, the IMU for determining the angular speed and acceleration, and then there are other sensors like the barometer for the height and distance sensors for detecting obstacles that are present. The drone uses the sensors and obtains information to get more efficient and precise in the working process. Next up, controlling. Aside from sensing, a flight controller controls the motion of the drone. The drone can rotate and accelerate by making speed adjustments, as I explained in my previous video. The flight controller uses the data gathered by the sensors to calculate the desired speed and sends this information to the electronic speed controllers, which translates and then signals the motors. Calculating the movements, fusing and filtering the sensory information, and estimating the safety and durability of a flight is all done by an algorithm. The most commonly used flight algorithm is called PID control, Proportional Integral Derivative Control. Recently, there's a lot of research going on in the control algorithm, which resulted in INDI, Incremental Nonlinear Dynamic Inversion. This algorithm reads out and reacts to incoming information way faster, therefore making the drone flight more stable. Next up is communication. An integral part of a flight controller is to communicate. One of the important jobs of a sensor is to give out information that needs to be translated clearly for a pilot to read, which means efficiently. But these days, with autopilot programs in the drone industry, flight controllers need to communicate with other computer systems about its flight destination and how to get there. Communication is mostly done with Wi-Fi and radio frequencies. Now, we'll be looking at the different types of controllers. First is flight controller for hobbyists and builders. These are usually inexpensive and user-friendly and are used for very light activities, and these are mainly local controllers which are available in the market easily. And then we have the racing flight controllers. They are designed to be very lightweight, precise and responsive. They are mainly used in custom built FPV drones. Agility is one of their key factors. Some of the models are Mamba, Matic, and then we have Flightone. These are some of the controllers used for racing. Then we have the filming flight controllers. These are mostly included in a drone with a high-end camera and are more focused on creating fluent shots and accessible handling for a pilot. In this segment, DJI has been ruling the industry, and for example, their Inspire series has taken drone filming especially, to a next level. Then we have commercial flight controllers. Advanced drones use these flight controllers, which are capable of safe flying and transporting high-value cargo. Some of the biggest players are DJI's N3, then we have Skynode from Auterion, and Fusion Reflex from Fusion Engineering. See you guys in the next video. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye.